wanted to come on and give a quick little review about the Virgo Gem peel base. I've been using it for a few weeks at this point, and I've kind of got a really good grasp on how I feel about it. I would say this product is like a 9 out of 10 for me. I've really been enjoying it. This is how my nails look after I've popped off the color. Had that color on for a couple days. This is a thin layer of builder gel that I generally keep on just to provide a little bit of strength under that dip. They give a good clean pop off. And it lasts, for me personally, anywhere from 2 to 3 days before it starts to pop off. If you want more longevity than that, I would really suggest you do just a thin strip down the middle. I do tend to do my whole nail because I want it to be a really easy, clean pop off. I have heard some people say that theirs only lasts like a day before it starts to pop off. I haven't personally experienced that. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with this product. I'm sure I'd be more than willing to repurchase it. And I will continue to use it. I did go ahead and save what popped off this time, just so that I could kind of show y'all how it's genuinely like, those are whole, good, clean pop-offs. Really nothing to worry about. Honestly, if mine pops off a little too soon, I just glue that sucker right back on because no big deal. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I hope it helped. If it did, I would appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, the name is @creepybitty_nails. And I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a really good week. Bye.